Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I will be featuring tuna and vegetable salad. So without further ado guys, let's get started! So are you ready guys? Let's start preparing for our featured dish today. Let's start with our vegetables. We will start with our carrots. And then let's chop it. We'll cut it this way guys, and we will have this. We're done with our carrots. Next, our eggplant. So I just cut the eggplant into four cuts. Next, our lettuce. We will cut our lettuce into small pieces. So we are done with our vegetables, the carrots, eggplant, and our lettuce. So moving on, we will cut our onion. So the cut of our onion guys, we will cut it into dice. Now ready to mince our 2 cloves of garlic. We'll remove the head of our garlic and let's start mincing. So we're done cutting our onions, vegetables, and mincing our garlic. So we will wash the vegetables. After this one, we can now proceed in cooking our tuna. Now let's start cooking, guys. So we will first cook, guys, our carrots and our eggplant before cooking our tuna. So it seems like our oil is already heated. We will add now our carrots. We will just fry the carrots and then followed by our eggplant. So ready to remove our fried carrots. Next, our eggplant. Now we will now remove, guys, our eggplant. So we will remove the oil so that we can start our tuna. Now let's start the tuna. Let's start adding our minced garlic. Followed by our onion. We'll remove the oil of the tuna. But not all the oil, only a little. So, let's start adding our tuna. We will add little bit salt. So it seems, guys, that our tuna is already cooked. Whoa. Turn down the heat and yes. Okay. Our tuna is already cooked. Ready to mix! So guys, we are already done cooking our tuna and frying our eggplant and our carrots. Let's start combining all the ingredients. So we'll first wash our hands. We will flakes our eggplant. So next to it, our carrots. We will season it with our salt and pepper. Let's start adding our tuna. And for our final ingredients, adding our mayonnaise. By the way guys, if you have mustard sauce and honey, you can also add that one in your salad. Now let's taste our salad, guys. Delicioso, guys. Try to make, guys. I'm really sure you will love it. Thank you for watching! Hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you find it interesting, you may like, share, and subscribe along with notification bell, and also you can write your comment in the comment section down below. And I will see you again in my next vlog. Peace out!